Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring. In 2025, the adventure motorcycle market is seeing fierce competition, and the Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring has emerged as a standout in the midweight category. Combining reliability, comfort, and versatility, the V-Strom 800 Touring offers an ideal balance for riders looking for a capable all-rounder that excels on both long-distance tours and rugged trails. Powered by an 800 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring delivers smooth and consistent power, making it perfect for a variety of riding scenarios, from highway cruising to off-road exploration. The engine has been updated for 2025 with enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, making it a more eco-friendly choice without sacrificing performance. With a robust torque curve, riders can enjoy strong acceleration and responsive handling, even when fully loaded with gear. A major highlight of the 2025 V-Strom 800 Touring is its upgraded suspension system, which includes fully adjustable front and rear shocks tailored to handle diverse terrains. Whether navigating rocky trails or gliding over asphalt, the suspension provides a balanced and comfortable ride. Coupled with Suzuki's advanced traction control and cornering ABS, the bike ensures maximum safety and control, giving riders confidence in varying conditions. The touring variant of the V-Strom 800 is equipped with features that enhance long-distance comfort, including a larger windscreen, ergonomic seating, and integrated hard luggage for ample storage. The bike's 7-inch TFT display offers full connectivity, including navigation, smartphone integration, and real-time bike diagnostics, keeping riders informed and connected on the go. Ergonomically designed for long hours in the saddle, the V-Strom 800 Touring includes adjustable handlebars, foot pegs, and seat height, accommodating riders of different sizes and preferences. Its lightweight frame and low center of gravity make it easy to handle, even on challenging terrain. With its impressive blend of performance, comfort, and advanced features, the Suzuki V-Strom 800 Touring is a top choice for adventure riders in 2025, setting a new standard in the midweight adventure segment.